build a robot, make it move and light up too. We can add some wheels and sensors now, then code a brain, it's all up to you. We can make it follow pathways, pick things up or raise. Beep bop, let's make it go. Do you wanna build a robot? Come on, let's build a cool robot. Yeah, let's go. Go to game with the guys that jump and run. We can make them fly through outer space, fight a boss that shoots a laser gun. Just type a line of Python, watch it all come true. Oh, it really works. Do you wanna go to game? You can play the one you made. Yeah, let's go. Do you wanna 3D print it? Design it layer by layer. Print a rocket, build a tiny house. Cut with lasers, so much to share. And there's so much you can discover at Steamoji. What will you create? Come and learn to be a maker. Join today and be a maker. Join today.